Hello families, I just wanted to let you know that I wanted to go through this packet. I just dropped everybody's work off. I hope that you are doing well and staying safe. First page in the packet is the life skills log. You're writing the name on or the date on the list and then writing the life skill. This is for all 10 days that for this grouping of work. Starts today, the group of work ends May 1st. So you will not be getting more work until probably the morning of May 4th, which is a Monday. Place value for math. This one is a little different. They're going to be drawing it out. Big squares for the hundreds place, sticks for the tens place, tiny squares filled in for the ones place. In the back, there is a sheet that has an example at the top, and then you're going to do the same thing for the bottom. So you're just counting the pictures, putting the total at the end. So that is for math. For reading, there is reading comprehension sheets that look like this, where they read and then answer the questions at the bottom. There's a couple of these graphic organizers where your child's going to choose a story that they want to use to fill this in. And then they'll fill in each box. For example, even though you're seeing this backwards, character, setting, problem, solution. So there's a few of those in there. More reading comprehension. The last thing in the packet is the journal. So they're going to cut these out and glue them into their journal. It doesn't matter what order or which one they choose to do first. So on and so forth. So that is for reading. Remembering 2 pages of math a day, 2 pages of language arts a day, 1 science, 1 social studies. For social studies, we have this packet in here. The first 3 pages are a resource because it tells you the state name, the capital, and the abbreviation. They may need help with the abbreviations on the last page, which is the assignment. And they're going to match the name of the state to the abbreviation. They can use these first 3 pages as a resource to solve that. There's a North American color sheet. This sheet can take 2 days. They color the states they've been to or want to visit a certain color using the thing. And then they're answering the questions on this page. The next one is the 50 states. It asks questions like how many states start with the letter M. They're going to count up in this alphabetical order list, and they're going to record the answer. This one's called the city I live in and the state I live in, and they're going to answer questions based on their life. There is a state word search, a career word search. After this week of hearing Monday, they can fill it out tomorrow, or they can fill it out Friday after hearing the second dog groomer. They're going to write 3 facts about being a dog groomer as a career. Next week, we have a dental hygienist and a dentist. So after you hear about their presentation, you're going to write out 3 things about being a dentist or a dental hygienist. This is a Venn diagram. So you're going to compare and contrast a dentist to a dental hygienist. I'm going to give you examples. A dentist can fill cavities and a dental hygienist cleans teeth, but a hygienist does not fill cavities and vice versa. They both take care of teeth, right? So just listen to some of the things that they're saying on the call and that may help you complete the Venn diagram that was assigned to you during this time frame. It doesn't have to be like super full, maybe a few things in each circle. The center is for what they have together, both. Finally, for science, the top packet is what is something that's a little bit different. For the dates here, we'll be doing those for that particular conference call. So I'll be pulling up the article on a shared screen. You guys will be taking this packet out and we'll be completing the pages for each of the articles together. If you cannot get on the conference call on these specific dates, you're still responsible to log in. Here's the login information. Read the article and complete the work, even if you can't get on the call. If, for example, when you do log on and there's the information, you have to scroll to the bottom to get to April's issues. At the top, when you first log in, it's going to show May, June issues. Log to the bottom and then find the one that says the volcano that stopped summer, or the plant that stinks, I think is the other one. This plant stinks. There's a typo on this next sheet about the recycled creation. It says, instead of saying things you can use, I put think you can use. So I'm aware that there's a mistake. That does happen from time to time. So you're using recycled material. This is a 2-day assignment. And you can show your creation on 423's conference call or 427's conference call. And if you cannot get on the conference call, you still need to take a photo and send it to me via Dojo or via email, your creation. Word search, an Earth acrostic poem. Earth is important to take care of. Always recycle your trash. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Think before you throw it out. H, how have you helped the earth? Something that has to do with Earth Day, and then it could be one word or a sentence, filling it in. The directions are right here, small, and you're going to have your child color in this. Finally, in science, there's 3 habitats: desert, rainforest, grasslands. With that, you are going to have your child look up information, 3 animals for each habitat. On the next page, it's going to be 3 characteristics of that habitat, and finally they'll draw a picture including animals for that habitat. So I think one of the most important things is keeping this packet aside so that it's handy for when we have conference calls and that you don't have to dig for it when it's time for the conference calls. If you have any questions along the way or need any additional support, we could schedule one-to-one conference calls with myself or you and Miss Brianna, because she can help with that stuff as well. You just need to reach out and we can give you some time options of what would work. And we are willing and able to help with that type of thing. So if there's something that you're struggling with or something that it would just be easier if we helped, that's great. This week, the link for the conference call will be the same all week. I will continue to share it, but the link will not change this week. Finally, this was dropped off today. This is for today, which is April 20th through May 1st. 10 school days worth of work. If you finish early, you're not getting any more work until May 4th. So please pace yourself with finishing this, following the guidelines of 2 language arts, 2 math, 1 science, 1 social studies. Please continue to have your child read. It's really important that even if you're not following the guidelines, that your child's doing something each day. I really don't want to have anyone regressing. So we're looking for maintaining and keeping the skills. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great day.